are continue to inverse trigonometric function. Today we discuss about the properties of inverse trigonometric functions. First you take the negative angles. In the negative angles there are two formats. Some angles are some trigonometric ratio B comes under minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. That will be sine theta, cosec theta and tan theta. These three ratio lies between minus pi by 2 to plus by 2. In first quadrant all the ratio are positive, but sine theta, cosec theta, tan theta in fourth quadrant are negatives. Three ratio cos theta, sec theta and tan theta B lies between 0 to pi. So negative angle of the inverse function we divide in two parts. One of the sine, cosec, tan and other cos, sec and cot theta. These two parts. First part we take the sine, cosec and tan. In this part we take sine inverse minus x equal to minus sine inverse x. Suppose that let sine inverse minus x equal to theta, sine theta equal to minus x, minus sine theta equal to x, sine minus theta equal to x, sine inverse x equal to minus theta, minus sine inverse x equal to theta. So you can write the sine inverse minus x equal to minus sine inverse x. In the same way, tan inverse minus x equal to minus tan inverse x, cosec inverse minus x equal to minus cosec inverse x. On other hand, three ratios that will be cos theta, sec theta and cot theta lies between 0 to pi. So you take cos inverse minus x equal to pi minus cos inverse x. Let cos inverse minus x equal to theta, cos theta equal to minus x, minus cos theta equal to plus x, cos pi minus theta equal to x, pi minus theta equal to cos inverse x, pi minus cos inverse x equal to theta. That means cos inverse x minus x equal to pi minus cos inverse x. Similarly, cot inverse minus x equal to pi minus cot inverse x, sec inverse minus x equal to pi minus sec inverse x. Same way these three. Now we want to prove the reciprocal format. In reciprocal format, you already learned cosec theta equal to 1 by sine theta, cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta, and sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta. Suppose that let sine theta equal to x, cosec theta equal to 1 by sine theta equal to 1 by x, theta equal to cosec inverse 1 by x. That means sine theta equal to x, theta equal to sine inverse x equal to cosec inverse 1 by x. Similarly, cos inverse x equal to sec inverse 1 by x, tan inverse x equal to cot inverse 1 by x. You take cosec inverse. Similarly, cosec inverse x equal to sine inverse 1 by x, sec inverse x, cos inverse 1 by x, cot inverse x equal to tan inverse 1 by x. Now we want to prove complementary angle. You already learned the complementary angle. In the right angle triangle, sum of two angles theta, sum of two angles be 90, that is complementary angle. You already proved sine theta equal to cos pi by 2 minus theta. Suppose that let sine theta equal to x, you can write the cos pi by 2 minus theta equal to x, pi by 2 minus theta equal to cos inverse x, pi by 2 minus cos inverse x equal to sine inverse x. That means sine inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. Similarly, tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equal to pi by 2. Sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x equal to pi by 2. These are three complementary format. Now you can change the identity in the same format. Already you can change all the ratio in form of sine theta. Suppose sine theta equal to x, sine inverse x equal to theta. You take cos theta equal to under root 1 minus sine square theta 1 minus x squared. You can write theta equal to cos inverse under root 1 minus x squared. That means sine inverse x equal to cos inverse 1 minus x squared. Tan theta equal to sine theta by cos theta, sine theta x cos theta under root 1 minus x squared, and you can write theta equal to tan inverse x by under root 1 minus x squared. Cot theta equal to cos theta by sine theta under root 1 minus x squared by x. That means theta equal to cot inverse 1 minus x squared by x. sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta 1 by 1 minus x squared, theta equal to sec inverse 1 by under root 1 minus x squared, cosec theta equal to 1 by sine theta 1 by x, theta equal to cosec inverse 1 by x. Now sine inverse x equal to cos inverse 1 minus x squared equal to tan inverse x by 1 minus x squared equal to cot inverse 1 minus x squared by x equal to sec inverse 1 by 1 minus x squared equal to cosec inverse 1 by x. Similarly, you change the cos theta in all trigonometric ratio, tan theta in all trigonometric ratio, and you can interchange one format to other format easily. Now we discuss about the compound angles. Already you know compound angles, sum of two or more angles. If you take tan A plus B, you easily write the tan A plus tan B 1 minus tan A into tan B. Suppose that let tan A equal to x, write the A equal to tan inverse x. Tan B equal to y, B equal to tan inverse y. Now you come here, A plus B equal to tan inverse tan A plus tan B 1 minus tan A into tan B. Now put instead of A, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse tan A equal to x plus y 1 minus xy. Similarly, tan inverse x minus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x minus y by 1 plus xy. We will continue the compound angle on next class and verify all the results, all the properties that you have given. Thank you. You continue this topic.